Today we're going to bring a large LED light for any kitchen, any bathroom, any fixture, even your living room or your bedroom. This is perfect. It's a large LED light, perfect lighting. This is replaceable if they ever go out. Very simple to replace. I actually replaced one of these before instead of buying the whole unit. Now this is actually glass, real glass. It's all frosted, very beautiful, elegant. This goes embedded in the bottom like this, and then you got to tie it down right here when you set it up. Now the easiest part is to setting up the mount. If you guys can see, it's just pretty much like a cross mount in everything center piece, and this actually lines up perfect in place like this. So once it lines up, you're not gonna have any problems or anything whatsoever. The problem is that, you know, having the right connections. You got your neutral, your hot, and your ground. So we're gonna set it up, and of course there's not that much instructions because it's just installations and it's not wireless or anything like that. They give you everything you need, including the actual hooks that grab onto the little system and make sure that they hold on to the actual glass. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it looks. There we go. All right, guys, here it is, the LED light. Beautiful, elegant, easy to install. If you guys saw that, it lights up this whole area here. I like it a lot.